and analyze these two players. They bebangenzela into emnandi. Let me firstly speak about Umakgopa, yabo. Umakgopa, so far he's the player that was able to fight for like amabhola ama-long balls vele nama-jewels amaningi ukuthi like awafight and vele awawine more than uReynolds and uLine Foster vele yabo, since they were introduced. So he's a striker, so ukuthi vele yabo was able to do that. The only thing engikhalelayo about him yabo is that if the boy can become angaba like ne-technique and be clinical yabo, it can become something else, because like even like naku PSL and stuff akabinayo like lento le ukuthi like makashootha like ibhola kube like just kill, akanayo that fact ukuthi like he just kills vele yabo. But like in terms of like his striker vele yabo, sikwazi ukuthi vele yabo simakele drop, collect the ball vele yabo, comfortable in the ball, play on combine with the midfielders and stuff yabo. He's actually good when it comes to that vele yabo, but like that killer instincts of finishing vele yabo, clear scoring opportunity or putting your body very in line yabo. I've never actually seen that very from him. Shota very Dingsley, and then the boy is top yabo. And then so that is what he was actually bringing on this match. And then as when Napoli